He comes, he goes, he's perched upon my window, balanced for a minute, for a song. And then he leaves for the sky or for a tree, maybe back up to his home where he belongs. Sometimes I wonder what he sees. Feels like the birds are watching me, and I can't explain it. I hear them rustling in the leaves. Feels like the birds are watching me. The birds are watching me. On a walk, on a path, I hear finches, I hear sparrows. There's a robin, a red cardinal, and a crow. On a limb, I can see a blue jay in the shadow, and I know that I will never be alone. Sometimes I wonder what this means. Feels like the birds are watching me, and I can't explain it. I hear them rustling in the leaves. Feels like the birds are watching. Feels like the birds are watching me, and I can't explain it. I hear them rustling in the leaves. The birds are watching me. The birds are watching me. The birds are watching me. He comes, he goes, he's perched upon my window, balanced for a minute, for a song.